One love, Rastafari. Blessed love. I just finished my laundry and going to Port Antonio, which is the capital of Portland, to pick up some ingredients to come back and fix up our breakfast for in the morning, okay? We're gonna get some ackee and saltfish and make Jamaica national dish. And if it's possible, we're gonna see if we get some tamarind to make the tamarind ball right in Port Antonio, right? So we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. And we're gonna go on the bike now to Port Antonio. So let's go back. Yes, we just made it in Port Antonio, the capital of Portland, you know. I'm gonna make it in the supermarket to pick up a few ingredients, you know, to bring back home and check out ackee and saltfish, you know. Okay, I like the supermarket. I think the price are good and very balanced, you know. And the good service there, you know, customer service, good. I like it there, you know. So I always come to this place. Whenever time the guests come to my house, I bring them right here, you know. Cause the price is right. They're not ripping off people. So it's a nice place. One love, Rastafari. Saltfish? How you sell it? Huh? Half pound of saltfish. Thank you. Thanks. Yeah. See, this is a saltfish. So now we're gonna look for some sugar. I'm trying looking for a smaller pack. Cause I think this may be too. Oh yeah, I think this okay, right? Smaller pack of sugar. Okay, and from the tamarind ball, we're gonna need some white sugar, you know. So here is it. So we take some white sugar, okay? And try to balance everything and make it work together, right? Yeah. Well, we are putting on YouTube too. Yeah, make it to the market now in Port Antonio, looking for the ackee and the tamarind, but it seems like now it's not a tamarind season, so we don't know if it's possible if we're gonna find it, but we're gonna try our best, okay? So we will look around and see what's going on. It seems like it looked like something like tamarind over there. Similar, it looked like it, you know? So let's check it out over here. Love, Mr. Rodham, respect. We're walking on the pizza and actually buck up on a lady selling the tamarind. It's so super nice, you know? I appreciate it so much, you know? It's glad we make it and get it, right? So now we're gonna take it home and try to make some tamarind ball at home, natural way, okay? Yes, she said it's $200, 200. We'll gradually buck up on the guy who's selling the ackee in the market, see there, beautiful. We are so lucky. Yeah, thanks, nice. So we're gonna bring it home now and prepare our ackee and saltfish. Right? To show to the world that we cook ackee and saltfish at Freelance Trophy Place, right? And you have to know the reality about ackee, you know, because when you see them on the tree and they close, they are poisonous, you know, so you have to open. When they open, they are properly ripe. But when it closes and you eat it, you get poison, you know. So you need to open it, see it open like this. Okay? Right, bless. Okay, just make it back from Port Antonio, coming back from the market, get the ackee and the tamarind. Soon I will prepare the wood to make our breakfast, okay? And that's it, everything nice. Blessed love, Rastafari. Well, right now, at this present moment, I just finished with the hood, so I'm using a little fluid from the motorbike to start the fire at this present moment now, you know. So now I'm gonna strike the matches, you know, to keep the fire burning, you know. That's how it works here, you know. Yes, just like that, you know. So, and then I get some more small piece to put inside. And now I'm gonna take the saltfish out of the plastic and put it in here in the pot, in the water, and let it soak for maybe 3 minutes. And after that, I'm gonna put it on the fire. And when it's on the fire, I'm gonna take time and prepare the ackee little by little. Okay? I'm approaching to put the saltfish on the fire to let it continue boil now. Okay? So now we put the fire together, push up the hood and make it boil to take out the salt out of it. But by right, they preserve the saltfish with salt that you can keep for a very long time, because during first time people never used to have fridge to put things on, you know, so that's why they salt the food so you can put it outside and it's served for a very long time, maybe even 2, 3, 4 months, you know, and then you have it still fresh and nice. And then we're gonna do it like this right now. Okay? Yes, so this is the ackee now we brought back from Port Antonio from the market. And this is the way you know when the ackee is good. When you see it burst and open just like this. If it close, it's not good. But some people are so wicked, so sometimes you have to be careful, or you buy ackee when they pick it out and put in the bag, because they will pound it with stone and then hope it and sell it to the people. So be careful. It's better you buy it this way, that you can open it for yourself and go like this, just like this. And after you do it like this, you push the skin away like the trash. You put them one side just like that, but I still have one leaf. Yeah, finish. And then the next step now is to take off the seed. This seed, you don't need it to cook with. So you break it like this and take it out, and this yellow thing inside, it's not so dangerous, to be honest with you. You can eat it, you know, because some people don't know to take it out, they just boil it with it, and it's not going to hurt it, to be honest, you know. But I'm a original Jamaican, I know I must take it out just like this, you know. You go like this, put the seed one side, you always break it out. Some people do use a knife and cut it, but for me, it makes no sense because you're already wasting the ackee, you know. You cut out too much, you know. So I prefer to break it out, take out the seed like this. Normally we don't wash ackee, you know, because you have two different kind of ackee. You have the hard one and you have the soft one. So to be honest, I don't know if this is the butter one, you know. So when you wash it and cook it, it gets so soft. But some ackee, no care you boil it, it's always gonna stay like this, even when you boil it and come off the fire. But I don't know the variety of this ackee, so we're just gonna do it and be very careful doing it, okay? So we'll see how it come out at the end. Okay, well now I finished take out the inside and break out the seed, and now I'm gonna put it in this calabash and move on now to the pot and the fire to put it inside, okay? And let it boil. To be honest with you, I don't give a specific time, you know. I'm gonna just use a fork and test it to know when it cooks. Because normally I don't cook with time, you know. So you open like this now, and then you go like this. I already added now the ackee to the fish in the pot for boiling, you know. But I don't know how long, because I really don't cook with time. I will just use a fork and try it and know that it's cooked. That's how me really cook. I don't time things, you know, to be honest with you, you know. Scallion, thyme, onion, and I'm gonna add some black pepper. And this oil is over here. We're not gonna add no salt to it because the saltfish already have salt in it for the pot. So put it here. Need a cutting board to prepare all these things. So over here is a cutting board, knife, here now. First, let's strip the onion. Add some scallion to it, you know. And now, after the scallion, I'm gonna head over to my Scotch bonnet pepper tree and just pick a fresh pepper. Nice one. Look on it. Nice pepper, yeah? Off the tree. Fresh. Just take it off the tree. And now bring it back to the cutting board over here. Very hot pepper, you know, Scotch bonnet. But it seasons the pot very nice, you know. Oh, super good. This food was supposed to be very nice, you know. Oh, you smell. Oh. And now I'm gonna add some thyme. This is where we buy it in the market, you know. Thyme. The black pepper and the oil not gonna add to the food until I take off back the ackee and the saltfish off the fire. So I have to make the saltfish cool and then I break it up in small pieces and put one side and straight put the ackee one side and then I put this in the pot with the oil. And when it get hot, I put back the saltfish and then add the ackee to it. You will see, slowly but surely, coming up. I'm just checking if the ackee is ready, you know. It can stay a little bit more, but for now, I'm gonna take out the saltfish and prepare the saltfish, because that's what you do it. Take out the saltfish, put it in up next pan, and after that now, you add some water. Add some water. Cool it down, and then you do it just like this. Take off these fine bones, put one side. That's when you're eating. You can eat very comfortably, and that's how you do it. Just like that. See them? Just like that. And then you scrape, take off this part. This black part. And now break it up in small pieces, you know. You have to break it up in small pieces before you add it with the onion and Scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, now move on again. Over to the fire. I'm gonna remove the pot with the ackee from the fire and throw the water off just like this. And then put it back here. And now I'm gonna throw the ackee in the pot cover just like that. And then add back the pot to the fire. And the seasoning. Yes, I will add the oil right now. Yeah, yes, just like that. I'm gonna add the onion, the Scotch bonnet, the garlic and the thyme in the pot. Just like that. Yeah, because I put the ackee on the pot cover, basically I cannot turn it over, so I just create a different way and fix it like this, freelance style. Huh? Yes, freelance style. Nice way, man. And make it simmer down a little, you know. But normally, tomato don't go in ackee and saltfish because it take away the value of taste from it, you know. So you just use the oil, the onion, the scallion, the thyme and the Scotch bonnet pepper, you know. I'm gonna add the saltfish with the scallion, thyme and onion in the pot on the fire, just like this, right? I have to do a little stir it up, you know. Oh, super nice. Ah, smells so good. So good. Although my cameraman say he don't love ackee, I think he will try this one now because the value of taste is so super nice, you know. I know that for a fact, you know. So I will see what he's gonna do when it's finished. But now I'm gonna add the ackee with the saltfish together in the pot, just like that. I'm about to add some black pepper to make it more spicy and nice, you know, bring it a nice, good flavor, you know. So all the people around the world who know about ackee and saltfish will know this is the way you prepare it in Jamaica, you know, right here, you know. Delicious food, delicious. So the people would have a nice breakfast this morning and just relax and cool out here, you know. Yeah, super good. I try it, taste it. I'll use the pot cover. No, I should use the packy. Packy. So good. So good. Nice. I know my cameraman will love it too, you know. Yeah. Yes, this is the way I enjoy my ackee after cooking, just like this, So nice. And I told my cameraman, say, nice with bread. Can make a sandwich like this and fold it, and you have a nice sandwich. So good, so good. Nice breakfast in the morning.